Here are a couple of examples out of Unit 2.1. We're talking about the unit circle. The first example we're talking about showing how do you see or how do you show that a given point, is on the unit circle. The second example I have in this video is we're given part of a point. We're given the x coordinate, we're asked to find y, and we're also told what quadrant it's on, or what quadrant this thing is in. We're asked to find the y value that goes along with that x coordinate. Okay, well, showing that a point is on the unit circle is really no big problem. You know the equation of the unit circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. If we want to show a particular point is on the unit circle, we just put it into that equation. X squared, well, we're given that the square root of 3 over 3 is x. We square it, plus y squared. Well, we're given that y value is the square root of 6 over 3 squared. And all we have to do is show that's equal to 1. Well, the square root of 3 squared is 3. 3 squared is 9. The square root of 6 squared is 6. 3 squared is still 9. And that turns into 6. We've got a common denominator of 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have 9 over 9. That's equal to 1. So therefore, this point is on the unit circle because it makes this equation true. All right, now for the second example, we're given that the point P, the square root of 3 over 2, and y is on the unit circle, and we're also told that it's in quadrant 4, which is good because an x coordinate square root of 3 over 2 could actually have up to 4 different places on the unit circle that it could be on the unit circle. We're asked to find the y coordinate. Okay, well, once again, we're going to use the equation of the unit circle, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. And we just put what we're given into this formula. We're given that x is the square root of 3 over 2, it's squared, plus y squared, that's what we're trying to find. That has to be equal to 1. Okay, well, the square root of 3 squared is 3, 2 squared is 4, so this turns into 3/4 plus y squared is equal to 1. And now what we need to do is solve this equation for y. Well, that's pretty easy to do. If I add negative 3/4 to both sides, I get that y squared is equal to 1 minus 3/4, which is 1/4. So that tells me that if I take the square root of both sides, then y is going to be plus or minus the square root of 1, which is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. Keep in mind you're taking square roots here. All right, now here's where the quadrant 4 part comes in, because now we know that the y coordinate has to be either positive 1/2 or negative 1/2. Because we're in the fourth quadrant, that tells me that the y coordinate has to be negative. So my solution here is going to be the square root of 3 over 2 negative 1/2. Okay? All right, so we know it's negative because we're in quadrant 4, and all the y coordinates in quadrant 4 are negative. The signs in the quadrants are very important in this course. All right, so good luck. Hope you enjoyed it. Go do some math.